right, here are my supplies when I'm doing my weekend warrior project. And this one, the Rattan set. So it's my outdoor speaker. I found that at my local Walmart. I use it for my barbecues, my crawfish bowls, and of course, my weekend warrior projects. Soundtrack for today, K-Strings. Another day it may be Aaron Hall, Jodeci, Escape, who knows, and Auntie's playlist pretty much. If your project has hardware, you will need painter's tape. Absolutely. I swear by this stuff. And I don't know what you call this, but it makes sure that it's the right consistency, your paint. So if you're doing DIY in Savannah outdoors, you need this immediately. Some gloves, keep it clean. Ladies, keep it clean. If you're a lady doing this, I like to be neat when I'm doing projects. You need an extension cord because the spray painter, it is electric. A bucket for cleaning as I go. Flathead screwdriver opens my paint. And this is my new baby, my spray gun. I found this on Amazon for less than $50. You can pause to see the model number. There's the trigger. Yes, I use this one-handed. Very easy. It's lightweight. There you can see the different settings on the nozzle. It can be slim or wide depending on your piece. And there's the Valspar Duramex exterior paint. That is what I've been doing my project with. It is amazing. Another bucket. Keep it clean as you go. And this is a drop cloth. That's also essential. I wouldn't do a project without it. That's my 3-ended extension cord. I swear by this thing. I use it for my different crawfish bowls, my barbecues, outdoor weekend warrior projects, or if I'm just chilling and hanging out. I swear by this thing. I love it. Also my Christmas decorations. That's how I get so much up. And that's my little test cardboard. I test spray on there the different components to make sure that it's ready for use every single time that I use it. Okay, those are 5-pound weights that I place on my drop cloth so it doesn't fly away. And I just put it at each corner. And this is my little setup, guys. Let's get to work and make something beautiful.